Do you know what proteinuria is and why it's crucial to manage it through your diet? Proteinuria, in simple terms, is the presence of an excessive amount of protein in your urine. It's a common symptom of kidney disease and can be a sign that your kidneys aren't filtering your blood properly. Proteinuria, a condition characterized by the presence of excess protein in the urine, can manifest with several signs. The most common signs include foamy or bubbly urine and swelling, edema, in the hands, feet, abdomen, or face. Other signs may include fatigue, weakness, difficulty breathing, and high blood pressure. Individuals with proteinuria may also experience reduced urine output, nausea, vomiting, loss of appetite, unexplained weight gain, and fluid retention. You might wonder, why is controlling proteinuria through diet so important? Well, the answer lies in the role of our kidneys. These two bean-shaped organs are responsible for removing waste and extra fluid from our bodies. When they're not functioning optimally, it can lead to a buildup of toxins in our body, and that's something we all want to avoid. The good news is diet plays a significant role in managing proteinuria and improving kidney health. By carefully choosing what we eat, we can help our kidneys perform their job more effectively. So, are you ready to make some smart food choices? Let's dive into the top 10 superfoods that can help manage proteinuria and improve kidney health. Number 1, blueberries. Blueberries are considered a superfood for kidney health and can help manage proteinuria due to several reasons. They are rich in antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which have anti-inflammatory properties. These antioxidants help reduce inflammation in the kidneys and prevent oxidative damage to the renal tissues. Additionally, blueberries contain natural compounds that can help regulate blood pressure, which is essential for managing proteinuria. Furthermore, the high fiber content in blueberries may also contribute to kidney health by reducing cholesterol levels and promoting overall cardiovascular health. Overall, including blueberries in the diet can be beneficial for individuals with proteinuria as part of a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle. Try adding them to your breakfast or on salads. Number 2, spinach. Spinach is beneficial for managing proteinuria due to its rich nutrient profile. It is an excellent source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, particularly vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, and folate. These nutrients help support kidney health and function. Spinach is also high in dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and promotes overall cardiovascular health. Additionally, spinach contains compounds called phytochemicals, such as flavonoids and carotenoids, which have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These compounds help reduce inflammation in the kidneys and protect against oxidative stress, which can contribute to proteinuria. Furthermore, spinach is low in potassium and phosphorus, making it a suitable choice for individuals with kidney disease. Including spinach in the diet can help manage proteinuria as part of a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle. Try using spinach in your salads instead of lettuce. Number 3, quinoa. Quinoa is beneficial for managing proteinuria due to its high nutritional value and unique composition. As a complete protein source, quinoa contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it an excellent plant-based protein option. The presence of these essential amino acids helps support muscle repair and growth while providing the body with a sufficient supply of protein. Quinoa is also rich in dietary fiber, vitamins, and minerals, including magnesium, iron, and zinc. These nutrients support overall kidney health and function. Additionally, quinoa has a low glycemic index, which means it does not cause a rapid increase in blood sugar levels. This quality makes it suitable for individuals with diabetes, a common cause of proteinuria. Furthermore, quinoa is gluten-free, making it an ideal option for those with gluten sensitivities or celiac disease. Including quinoa in the diet can help manage proteinuria as part of a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle. Number 4, sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are beneficial for managing proteinuria due to their rich nutritional profile and various health-promoting properties. They are an excellent source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, including vitamin C, vitamin A, beta-carotene, potassium, and fiber. The high potassium content in sweet potatoes helps regulate blood pressure and kidney function, reducing the risk of proteinuria. Additionally, the antioxidants, particularly beta-carotene, help reduce inflammation and protect the kidneys from damage caused by oxidative stress. The fiber content in sweet potatoes aids in maintaining healthy blood sugar levels and improving insulin sensitivity, which is important for individuals with diabetes, a common cause of proteinuria. Furthermore, sweet potatoes have a low glycemic index, meaning they cause a gradual and steady increase in blood sugar levels, preventing spikes that can exacerbate proteinuria. Including sweet potatoes in the diet can contribute to better kidney health and help manage proteinuria as part of a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle. Number 5, salmon. Salmon is one of the most popular fish on the menu, and it's one of the richest in omega-3 vitamins and minerals. However, it's also naturally high in potassium and phosphorus, so people living with chronic kidney disease shouldn't go overboard with portion sizes. Salmon is beneficial for managing proteinuria due to its high-quality protein content and omega-3 fatty acids. The protein in salmon provides essential amino acids necessary for tissue repair and muscle strength. Additionally, omega-3 fatty acids help reduce inflammation in the body, including inflammation in the kidneys, which can contribute to proteinuria. Incorporating salmon into your diet may help improve kidney function and reduce protein leakage in the urine. Number 6, Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is an excellent food choice for fighting proteinuria. It's rich in high-quality protein, which helps repair and build tissues, including kidney tissues. The protein in Greek yogurt provides essential amino acids that support kidney function and reduce protein leakage in the urine. Additionally, Greek yogurt is low in phosphorus, which is beneficial for individuals with kidney disease. The probiotics in Greek yogurt also support gut health, which is essential for overall well-being. Incorporating Greek yogurt into your diet can help manage proteinuria and support kidney health. Number 7, kale. Kale is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, including vitamin C, vitamin K, and iron, which support overall kidney health. Its high fiber content helps regulate blood sugar levels and reduce cholesterol, contributing to better kidney function. Kale is also low in potassium and phosphorus, making it suitable for individuals with kidney disease who need to monitor their nutrient intake. Moreover, kale contains compounds called glucosinolates, which have anti-inflammatory properties and may protect against kidney damage. Incorporating kale into your diet can help manage proteinuria and promote kidney health. Number 8, turmeric. Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, which has been shown to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the kidneys. By lowering inflammation, turmeric helps protect kidney cells from damage and prevents protein from leaking into the urine. Additionally, curcumin has been found to improve kidney function by increasing blood flow to the kidneys and enhancing their ability to filter waste products from the blood. Turmeric can be easily incorporated into your diet by adding it to curries, soups, smoothies, or simply mixing it with warm milk. You can also take a supplement. Look for a supplement that also has pepper to enhance the absorption of curcumin, the active compound in turmeric. Pepper contains piperine, which can increase the bioavailability of curcumin, making it more effective. However, there are turmeric supplements available without pepper, and they can still provide health benefits, although the absorption of curcumin might be lower. Including turmeric in your daily routine can help manage proteinuria and support overall kidney health. Number 9, garlic. Garlic isn't just a flavorful addition to your meals, it's also packed with health benefits. Garlic contains compounds like allicin, which have powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These properties can help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the kidneys, which are common causes of proteinuria. Additionally, garlic has been shown to help regulate blood pressure and improve kidney function. So, if you're looking to support your kidney health and reduce proteinuria, consider incorporating garlic into your daily diet. Number 10, walnuts. Walnuts are not only delicious, but also offer a host of health benefits. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds, walnuts help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the kidneys, common causes of proteinuria. Additionally, walnuts can help regulate blood pressure and improve kidney function. To support your kidney health and reduce proteinuria, try incorporating a handful of walnuts into your daily diet. Whether you snack on them alone, add them to salads, or include them in your favorite recipes, walnuts are an easy and tasty way to support your kidneys. Thank you for watching. Please let me know any recipes you have used to incorporate these foods into your diet. I would love to hear them, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more great content.